illustrates you the process of obtaining JamoAI Interpreter and installing that module in Jamovi open source statistical software. For that purpose, you can simply go to this link. Here is jamoai.meroschool.click. Here you can find out in the home page at the beginning. The claim is that transform Jamovi output into publication ready AI interpretations. You can see its features and also you can see its pricing plan. You also get the free trial for 5 analysis and $5 per month with unlimited analysis, and also you have another option is a $50 per annum annual, and this is kind of the best solution for you. If you go for annual option, you will get $10 discount as well. And now here to start with, first of all you need to register. So once you register with your name, email, then you can get the create account link, and here the register, check your email and verify the account. This email has a link to verification. Once you click on this, email is verified, your email is verified, and now you can use that email and the password you have set for login. Yes, now your login is successful, and you got the subscription detail. This is a license, and trial use 5, remaining uses 5, and this is your information that you get. And if you would like to go for a paid plan, then there are options, and there are two options of this application. First of all, the subscription monthly or annual, this is up to you. And once you subscribe, then what happens, you will also get the API credentials. If you don't have your own AI API credentials, then you can request here, or you can pay and get that. So for the payment, you can see here the same option appears of the PayPal. Yes, PayPal or debit or credit card options you have. If you don't have both these options, you also can request, so this is how you can see your account. And now once you obtain this license key, then you can start using it. You also have a download option. You can click on this download button. Yes, once you download, the module of Jamovi is downloaded. Now this is this is the file that I have downloaded now I will show you the process how to install this module to Jamovi and start using. You have to open the existing Jamovi software that you have installed, and I have already provided you in earlier video how to find, download and install Jamovi. Well, Jamovi is started now. This is Jamovi, and here you can see in the analysis these are already installed by default, but you need to add the module of AI interpreter. For example, you click on this and go to Jamovi library and go to the sideload options and upload this currently downloaded module. Okay, this is currently downloaded module. Then click open. See, automatically installed successfully, and now this is ready for use after installation. But for this purpose you should have some data. I will use sample data that I have with me. Okay, this is sample data that I have with me, and this is previous one, just ignore that. And over here you click on AI that you have currently installed and click on AI interpreter. See, new interpreter is started. And over here it says something what the features, and here you have analysis type listed over here, and you need to select the variables. And also, for example, I will use very simple descriptive, this one, simple, and I will also use these two variables over here. Others I will let you know in detail how to use different analysis type, but for now this is a very simple straightforward process to start. Now before you click run analysis you need to confirm these settings. For example, license, yes, so this license from your account that was created, this one, you can copy this license, copy, and go to the Jamovi and paste this one over here. Yes, so this is one that you have to use, and also you have to use these two settings. OpenAI, I will use DeepSeek because I have API of this. If you don't have that, you have to request or pay for that. So from the same site, as I said, you go here and here down, this one you have to pay for API credentials if you would like to use API credentials from the provider of the module. Now you also can obtain that from DeepSeek website, API website. So there also you have to pay. The payment option is there, and you have to do whichever method is easy for you, you have to do. Now I will put here the key and then show you the further process. Well, I have set everything here, license setting and also AI provider. For security reason I am not showing now how I fill the process or how I completed all the fields. Normally you have to choose provider and the key, that much it works, and rest this module will work itself. Now I have taken here, see the descriptive statistics, or we can also go for example pair sample t-test. Their pairs are A and B, and then run the analysis. Okay, check on the analysis. Now see, analysis started. So this is the sign of analysis ongoing. So you have to wait for few minutes because it's going to provide you very robust output. So I will pause the video until that. Well, it is done for me now. It took about 2 minutes for me to provide this result. First of all, statistical output. This output was sent to AI by the system. And now the information about license, you have 4 license left now, four trials left. One you have already consumed, and now it provides you table 1 paired descriptive statistics, pair A versus B, and this table is presented, and based on this table's data there is a interpretation. You can see the interpretation, very standard interpretation, and also table 2 inferential test result for pair A versus B. Again you can see over here the table result, and also interpretation of table 2. The same way table 3 assessment of the normality and difference scores pair A and B, and again interpretation of table 3. The same way, if there are more tables obtained for a specific analysis type, then you will get more tables and interpretations corresponding to that table. And you also have a discussion on the basis of the result you got in the table above. These discussions are supported with the literature. So you can see literature is used, the standard literatures are used, and then a result is discussed, you see, like this. So also conclusion is drawn and reference is listed based on APA style. So you can simply copy this one like this, copy, and well, I have opened a new Microsoft Word file where you can paste the result from that analysis. You see, this is how your file is prepared in the Microsoft Word, the standard process. You also can use some minor corrections if you think this APA style is not working. Then you can have options to correct it. So this is the method. Okay, see the standard, the text, and the result, and also the reference list. So this is a kind of complete package for you. You can go edit, and you also can test so and confirm whether these interpretations are valid, reliable. So it's up to you to judge. However, this is AI generated text, so you may need to humanize it or write in your own language with reference to this document. Keep watching and also subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.